Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to make your own watermark in Capcut Mobile, so let's jump right into it. First you go ahead and open Capcut and then add the new project. Choose a green photo, a plain green photo just like this one. You can find it in Google. After that go and delete the outro and then add text. Just type the text you want to add as a watermark, maybe your logo or something like that. After that tap on style and then tap on shadow, add a black shadow and increase this one to 100. After that, go ahead and export this project. Now from here, go start a new project, choose the video that you want to add the watermark on. After that, tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay and choose the video that you have just exported and then tap on add. From here, go ahead and tap on cutout, tap on chroma key and choose the green color. After that, tap on intensity and increase it until the green color disappears. Then tap on the tick on the bottom right corner. From here, go back and go tap on blend and then tap on overlay. And here you go. That's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.